Hello Blender user, with you Abdul Sheikh. In this video I will show you how to export material vray to Blender vray. First of all, we have to open a scene with material vray, and we have two options. If this first don't work, I will show you the second option. We have here, we click right in the mouse and we choose vray scene exporter. After that, the scene will export to 3D Max scene like this, or we choose the folder we want and we click export. After that, we go to Blender. Yes, of course, we have to export to FBX, but first of all, we go to import and we go to vray scene import, and we choose the scene like this. Okay, now we go to file and export the plant, import, export FBX, and we export the FBX plant. After that, we set up the lighting, and we go to the node editor, and we choose a new, we delete and we click new. After that, we delete the default material. We choose vermet, like this, vermet. Now, we choose the scene like this, and we have to choose the material. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky. I will choose the one. Okay. After that, this step is very important. We copy and paste here in the material tab. In the second, you can see the material is here. After that, we go to the plant and we make same thing. We delete and new material, X delete, Shift A, vermet or vermet, I don't know. I choose scene like this, and I don't know 0. Okay, we copy here to the material, and we. Okay, good. Now we go to the texture ground, and we delete the material, new, X, Shift A, vermet, Shift A, vermet. Choose the very same. I don't know. I have to open every time. Okay, now I think it's 3 or 2, 3. I think it's 3. Okay, Control C, Control V. We wait. Okay, it's ground. Now for the new X, Shift A. We have to do manually. Don't copy the node because it's not work. And now I think it's 2. Yes, 2. Okay. Control C. We go to here, material. We change the material 01, and we paste like this, and they click. Okay. You can see we have all the material. This material we shift, Control L, material. Now I will make render, because you can see we set up the light. Now we make the render. You can see the material here. We have issue with the UV editor, UV, because when you choose the vermet, I change the UV editor. I will show you in seconds, like this. Okay, UV editor. You can see I scale the UV because when I choose to do material manually, I have to scale the UV. Now I make render and everything is fine. You can see the render here. Okay. I hope this video is helpful, and next time. Okay, good. I forgot something important. If the import scene don't work, don't worry. We have another way. We go to 3D Max, and we go to Tool, and vray mat converter, and we use current vray, but now we convert same material to vray mat like this, and we choose the folder. We all like this. I make this before. You can see the vermet is here. We go to manually like this. I go to the node editor. I go to the vermet. I choose here. I go to vermet like this. I choose I click here, vermet, and I click here. We choose like this, and we copy the same way. We copy here like this. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V like this. Okay. If you have a problem, you comment and subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you.